This video is sponsored by Taplio. I've tested nearly 50 AI tools this year, but these are the ones that I found most useful. Let's get started. Alright, one of my most favorite AI softwares I found this year is Fabric. I use it almost every day now. It's kind of like your idea bank. You can store ideas, links from the web, as well as your notes, files, pictures, and videos. So basically, it's like your ultimate filing cabinet for everything. You can always come back to it and find the information you need when you need it. There are many apps like this before, such as Raindrop, Pocket, and Instapaper, or even Evernote. But what makes it different is that it has a built-in AI engine that can analyze the content of the links, notes, and items you stored in it. So even if you forgot the exact name or the title of the things you're looking for, you can still find it because AI can figure out what you need. This also means that it can suggest similar things that you might like or find useful when you are looking for inspiration. This is low-key very useful for me because I can find surprising connections between things I'm looking for and stuff that I wouldn't have thought about. There's actually a similar app like this called My Mind, which has been around for a while now and much more polished. But a big difference is that My Mind is a lot more privacy oriented. It doesn't mean Fabric is not, but My Mind doesn't allow you to connect it to other apps and share your collections with other people. It's purely for you to use. Whereas Fabric lets you connect it to Google Drive, Notion, and Dropbox, allowing you to manage everything in one place and share your collections with other people, leaving comments like in Google Docs, which I think is very useful. You know, it's a very new app and there are still some things that can be improved, but I think it's a very promising app. Okay, the next one I've been using a lot lately is Albus. I reviewed it about a month ago. It's such a great app for learning new things quickly. It's sort of a visual note app with AI. All you need to do is type what you want to learn and it will prepare relevant information about that topic for you. And then you click on one of the cards you want to learn more about and you can repeat this to your heart's content. You can even ask a specific question you have and it will give you answers. Unlike other AI apps, a great thing is that you can move those cards and organize them so it's easier for you to understand what you need to learn. You can check my full review if you're curious about this app. Alright, the next one is Taplio. I discovered it recently, but it's a great AI tool to connect with new people, find new opportunities, and build an audience online. I've been using tools like Tweet Hunter to connect with people on Twitter, which has been great so far, but Taplio is something like that for LinkedIn. Honestly speaking, I've been neglecting LinkedIn for a long time because I thought it was too formal, but I've been hearing lots of great things about it lately, like how it's been helping people and businesses to find new opportunities. So I've decided to give it a try properly, and this tool is like the perfect tool for that. Something that I struggle with LinkedIn is that it feels so intimidating that I don't know what to share, but Taplio's AI is really helpful for this because it finds inspirations for you so you can see what other people are sharing in your field. It can even generate posts automatically if you don't really know how to start. Or you can see the newsfeed that's automatically curated by AI in your field so you can share your thoughts and opinions on it. This feels less intimidating than writing a whole post by yourself. But that's like only the tip of the iceberg. Taplio also lets you create a contact list so you can easily reach out to people to hire them or talk about your products and services. Also, it comes with a great analytics dashboard that shows you how you're doing on LinkedIn, so you can make improvements. Anyway, you can give it a try for free if you're a LinkedIn user or someone who's just starting out on LinkedIn like me. You can try from the link in the description or to scan the QR code on the screen. Okay, Embra is definitely the app I use most often on my Mac. I found it a long time ago this year, so I already mentioned in my previous videos, but it's so good. Although it's a Mac app, so it's not on Windows, unfortunately. But if you're a Mac user, I'd say this is a must-have app. What it does is that it simply lets you use ChatGPT anywhere on your Mac. It's super responsive and fast to open, but you know, there are plenty of apps like that. What's different about this one is that it also comes with some of the most popular plugins for ChatGPT, such as Google, Access Link, and Metaphor, so it can browse the internet to find the information you need or read the content of links you provide. What's more, it recognizes what website you're on and summarizes it for you if you want. So there are lots of extra useful features and it's just a great app overall. It's one of the apps I download the first thing whenever I get a new Mac. Finally, the last one I really like is Perplexity AI. Well, it's kind of like a mobile version of Embra, but don't worry, it's available both on iOS and Android. I know it is now the official ChatGPT app, but I've been using Perplexity more recently. It's as quick and smooth as the official app, and you can ask questions instantly. But there are some differences. One is that it can search the internet, so you can find the latest information. Also, its answer comes with references, so you can easily find the original source. But there's more. You can actually change the focus of your search depending on what you're looking for. This means you can specify the platform for the AI to use, such as YouTube, Reddit, and like your purposes like academic and writing. By doing so, you will more likely get the result you want. Also, another little thing I love is that it gives you a list of related topics from your conversation, making it easier to dive deeper into the rabbit hole. And it's also cool to see some popular threads by other people. It's kind of fun and useful to read them. Alright, that's it for today. You can try these apps from the links in the description. And if you want to know more cool AI tools, check out this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And see you in the next one. Bye.